Much of the United Kingdom is currently in lockdown as a new variant of the coronavirus spreads rapidly. Health officials in Europe also say that this strain is likely more contagious. Simon Bates explains in this week's London Calling. And we should note, Simon's opinions are his own and do not necessarily reflect those of CBSN.
It's as though this new and rather nasty variant strain of the virus has got together with Brexit to give my country, Britain, a thorough thrashing. Over the weekend, Prime Minister Boris Johnson flip-flopped and told us that Christmas was cancelled this year, just a couple of days after he'd claimed it would be inhuman to do just that. Then the Health Secretary admitted that the new variant was out of control, doing wonders for national morale. Mr. Johnson increased the restrictions on people's actions, but he didn't lock the country down, something that a great many people here really longed for him to do. Meantime, dozens of countries around the world have banned all arrivals from the UK, moving us so far down the International Popularity League, we're neck and neck with North Korea. Even the French helpfully closed their ports, causing chaos on this side of the English Channel. These chaotic scenes at London's railway stations on Saturday night, with people fighting to get on trains just before the deadline, summed up the feeling here. The British public is fed up with being told very little, usually at the last minute. Equally, our Prime Minister doesn't seem to know what to do about Brexit. We're about to leave the European Union, and the negotiations ramble on and on. Boris Johnson claimed he had an oven-ready deal to offer the EU. But unfortunately, the oven's been on so long, everything inside it is now burnt to a cinder. As for me, I return to my farm on Friday. Not a bad place to be holed up when the electricity stays on, the internet works, and the cattle are fed. How long will I remain isolated in the countryside? I'm planning until Easter at least. And I'm an optimist. That's London Calling for today. This is Simon Bates for CBS News, back in Devon.